Okay, so my mom just got a new family car, right? And okay, no license, so I don't have to worry. Our new family car, Honda. Shout me out here, Honda. Come on, shout me out. New car. I love it, honestly. Brand new. Seats, comfortable. I got this thing. I haven't saw this yet, but it's amazing. Horn. Amazing. You can Hey, best part of all, guys. Best part of all. It has advanced airbags. Whoa. Look at that. Best part. Advanced airbags. Even with airbags. Advanced airbags. Oh my god. So children won't die. Speakers. Where's the other speaker? Speakers. 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 Ooh. Yeah, speakers. Someone down there. Speakers. Bam. Speakers. Everything. I have never seen this car in action, but I do like it. Sunroof. Like this. Like here. And that, oh god, no. Is our new out car. Look at the back of it. Front of it. Amazing new car. Okay. And we're getting a new truck very soon. Probably maybe this week. I don't know. I have no idea. But this is the Swagmobile, okay? We should put a sticker saying Swagmobile. But this is the Swagmobile. Not that swag. To me it is though. That new truck. I vlog mostly every week. And yeah, see you on the next vlog.